Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I had quite an idea that came to me, and this idea has to do with things that were in my pantry that almost have been forgotten about. And some things I bought double of, and some things are about to expire. So I thought I would challenge myself to use what I have pulled out of my pantry that's about to expire, or I have multiples of, and make meals out of them. So let me show you what I was able to pull out of my pantry. So what you see here is different items I had pulled out of my pantry. Sorry for my cat in the background. She's just bored, and so she's howling. So these are different just items. I'm just gonna go through and show you what I have here. So yeah, so we have nuts and stir fry sauces, noodle soups that I can make real quick. I have what I have over here. I have tofu. I have wheat gluten that you make vegan food or vegan meat out of. Jalapenos, olives. This is pickled vegetables. I have some canned coconut milk, water chestnuts, enchilada sauce, sriracha sauce. This is burdock root tea. I have the larger one, and then I have a smaller broken down on top. I have a package of minestrone. I have here a soup starter, granola. What you see here is just different items. Like I said, I have multiples of, like the olives here I had found, and I have 2 of those. And then this here was salsa. I have 2 of those. And of course, I have a massive amount of nuts that I use in different recipes. And I have miso. I have just a lot of things. And some of these canned goods are going to be expiring soon. So I thought now would be a good time to challenge myself, use this in recipes and make videos and show you what it is I come up with. So I already have a couple of things that is going to be easy off the bat, which is like the soup mix back here. And then over here with the refried beans, I'm going to make some type of enchilada pie with that. The tofu here, I was going to make sofritas, or maybe make up some faux eggs with that. I also have some leftover egg noodles that I can probably mix with. I think I have some tomato sauce. I can mix that with some tomato sauce and make a nice little pasta marinara sauce out of that. Also have some basil pesto that I need to use up. I have tomato pesto that I need to use. So I'm going to be coming up with some various recipes. I'm going to be doing some stir fries because here I have 2 bottles of oyster flavored sauce. I have a bottle of hoisin sauce. I have another one, but this is an extra. Then I have stir fry sauce. I have some coconut aminos that I need to use, and some rice vinegar I need to use. So I'm going to be doing some stir fries as well. So some soup, an enchilada pie, stir fry, and I'm going to be showing you videos in reference to the sprouts that I use on top of my salads, or you can use them within sandwiches as toppings on vegetables, especially for the onion ones. The onion ones, they have a nice onion flavor. So yeah. All right, guys, stay tuned for more videos to come utilizing these items here that you see here that I pulled out of my pantry.